going on, guys? My name's Phantom FNAF 2.0 here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I have a bunch of stuff that I ordered off the internet. I got 2 plastic bags and a big box. So I'm gonna save the big box for last, and I'm gonna open the plastic bags first. Oh, I remember this. It's a water bottle. Because it's finally a metal water bottle. Because all of my water bottles break. Like the day I get them. Because they're all plastic. The Hawaiian Island. Okay. Yeah, I remember this. It's got a little keychain on it. Okay, yeah, I remember that. Oh, I've been waiting forever for this. Okay. So, the first thing, I have a bunch of stuff in that bag. There's a Sin Cara mask from WWE. Oh, it's the Domo. Oh, let me tell you this. A few days ago, or a few weeks ago actually, I ordered Five Nights at Freddy's minifigures, which are up on that white shelf over there. And you can kind of see them. That's one of my water bottles that broke right there, right above my finger. But, anyway, I got those, and it was supposed to come with Freddy, but they forgot to put the Freddy in. And I got it, and I'm just like, where's the Freddy? And then, it's a Freddy. It doesn't have much color to it. Oh, I remember this. Okay. It's a, Batman. It's a Batman fidget spinner. The surprising thing is that this is from Hawaii. This is from Hawaii. This is from China. And this is from, I believe, Arizona. Okay, now for the big box. Here it is. I'm gonna scoot back. Okay, here's the big box. Let's open this up. So, how do you... Okay, there's little handles. Oh! I remember these. There's Eminem. He's a football player. Oh, this is one of the zombie dudes from Space Jam. He's a basketball player. Oh! Oh, this is what I've been waiting for. It's some slime. I have been waiting for this forever. It's been about 3 months since I ordered it, and it still hasn't come. Sweet. Some slime. Just all fresh. Oh, I know which ingredient I used. It was the glue, contact lens solution, and baking soda. And let it sit, and it makes slime. Sweet. Okay, where the heck did that go? Oh, crap. I have no idea where I just put the bag. Where the heck did the bag go? I cannot remember where I put the bag. Oh, here it is. Yeah, guys, that was my unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed. honestly think the two coolest things that I got, or the three coolest things, were the Sin Cara mask. Here, I'll put it on. My head has to squeeze in. If you guys don't know who Sin Cara is, then I'll put the link, or I'll put him down in the description down below. Whew. And I think the slime and the Batman figure center. Batman. Oh, I just realized. Cool thing about these is that if you get the red one from Batman Forever, if you didn't know, Batman symbol, upside down Batman symbol is a Robin symbol. It's actually really cool. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just my first unboxing video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.